What does lumpish mean? The word lumpish is an adjective used to describe someone or something that is awkward, clumsy, or dull in movement or behavior. It can also mean heavy, sluggish, or lacking energy. This word often carries a slightly negative tone, suggesting a lack of liveliness or grace. Definition of lumpish. Lumpish means awkward in form or movement, or dull and unresponsive in personality. It can describe both people and objects that seem bulky, sluggish, or ungraceful. Lumpish synonyms: clumsy, awkward, ungainly, sluggish, dull, lethargic. Using lumpish in sentences. He moved in a lumpish way after waking from a deep sleep. The lumpish old sofa made the living room look smaller. Her lumpish mood made the conversation feel heavy and dull. Common situations where lumpish is used. Describing movement, a person walking slowly or awkwardly. Describing objects, furniture or items that look bulky or out of place. Describing mood, a heavy, unenthusiastic emotional state. The word lumpish is a vivid and descriptive term that adds depth to writing or conversation. It paints a clear picture of awkwardness, heaviness, or lack of energy, whether physical or emotional.